Hey subscribers, I'm out in the woods on this brisk morning with Ted, and we're doing a little bit of trail maintenance. We had a pretty wet, sloppy snowstorm with high wind come through and take down a bunch of trees, so we got to clear some trails out. My old MS 180 steel got a workout clearing this tree. It's a little too big for it, but it did it. I just wanted to share an old relic out here in the woods. It's an old maple syruping shack. This part of the foundation, I'm assuming, was the evaporator. See how it's long and skinny. And these are all the various pieces of metal that were found around here. Pretty neat little spot out in the woods. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to like and subscribe down below. Here's an awesome shot of Ted flexing out on this rock. Not bad for a 1949 CJ3A.